So we add some seasoning. Guys, today we are making catfish and yam pepper soup, guys. Join me as we cook this amazing food. This is the catfish you want to make use of, guys. So I have to cut it. So this catfish, I keep it inside the fridge since maybe 4 days. I bought this fish 4 days ago. So I keep it inside the fridge. There's no more drawness again. This knife is not sharp enough. So this is the second one. We want to make use of two. So I'm done cutting it. So I have to add some. So I will add salt and pour hot water inside. Add salt. This is boiled water. I allow the water to boil. So guys, I'm going to leave it for some minutes to wash. Even the catfish don't have any dryness again. I'm going to cover it. This is salt. Need to cover it, guys. So we want to blend the pepper. We want to make use of that. So guys, this is bell pepper, while this is fresh pepper and onions. So we want to blend it. I also have some ginger. This is ginger, while this is garlic. So I want to blend everything together. So I'll add water. I'll cover it and blend it. I'm done blending it. It's time to wash the fish. Let's wash it. So guys, I'm done washing it. It's time to cook it, guys. What to make it up. I'm using it to one away time. So here is the pot, guys. We are going to add the fish inside. Follow. This is pepper soup spices. So this is Maggi, not just our local pepper soup spices, guys. So it's Maggi. I will add some. I had my black pepper powder. We add. So here is the blended pepper, onions, ginger, and garlic. I will pour it inside. So I will use water to mix it. And add it again, guys. I'll add salt. So I'm not making using of Maggi. That pepper soup spices is okay. So I will add some salt. That is okay. So I will turn this salt water inside. I have hot water here. I will turn it inside. So I'll cover it to cook. Guys, okay, guys. So let's cut this yam. Let's see if the yam is okay. I prepared this yam good because now this yam I want to use for the pepper soup, guys. So let's see it. I'll close my eye. Thank God. The yam is good. You know already they grow this thing here. So now this is what we are using for our pepper soup. That's what. Even because it's on the spoon. Even though the soup yam. So now lucky we take the same yam here. Now lucky. This one is okay. This one is good. We cut the yam small, guys. I don't know what they want to put it. So I'm not peeling it. I'll wash it. Okay, guys, let's check it. So we want to add yam inside. You can see it's okay. This is how you cook. So we have our local pepper soup spices. I will add inside. So now this one will give that taste. I will give that vibe of pepper soup. This one that I add. So I will also add the yam. So they like to cook the yam and the fish together, so that everything is sweet very well. Why so they cook the yam first? After they cook this fish, so they cook the yam. So they like to cook together. So the yam they cook them. I cut them small. Stir it a little. Not just turn out so that the fish will scatter. I'll cover it to cook, guys. Okay, guys, let's check our food. As you can see, I know that the guys. As you can see, the yam is already done safe. So we want to add We add scent leaf inside. We are making use of scent leaf, guys. So we add some scent leaf. Cover it up. Okay, little bit. So guys, our pepper soup is already done. It's already done, guys. So we have to bring it in. So let's start out.